All rise. Judge Bunderby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
You know, I got 5 kids, I'm not getting paid.
Okay.
Mr. Casey, a father of 5, is seeking child support from the mother of his children. He explains that he's been raising the kids alone and needs financial assistance. The judge listens attentively but quickly notices inconsistencies in his statements, setting the stage for a case that highlights the challenges of single parenting and the importance of honesty in court.
With the 5 kids
I
you're
ain't on
raising
no
by
welfare,
yourself.
no Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Because I'm
Got
a good
you.
person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
Guess good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
You know?
she
You
did.
like that movie? She got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, you know, that you want to do with placing her on child support.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Don't y'all have what does like that default stuff?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can do a default,
We can do that.
definitely. She was served, so yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for a motion for discovery?
Mr. Casey takes the stand, explaining that he's been raising his 5 children on his own and is requesting financial support from their mother. He claims she was properly served but did not show up to court. The judge is willing to move forward with a default judgment, but accurate information about the mother's income is required to calculate child support. Mr. Casey struggles to provide clear details, giving multiple figures for the mother's income, which raises concerns for the judge.
Yes, Judge.
Do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, yes, Judge. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes, Your Honor.
let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45,
Okay.
47,
Is it 45 or 47?
probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them. Sometimes you get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes you get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more
Sometimes
time,
you get 90.
and I'm not going to ask again because my patients are wearing very thin. How much money
Wait, Judge,
does
wait.
the
Judge, you
how
say
much
your
money
patients-
does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin or is wearing thin?
Tension rises in the courtroom as Judge Vonab's patience begins to wear thin. Mr. Casey, scrambling to justify his case, stumbles through vague guesses about the mother's income. No documents, no facts, just uncertain claims. The judge's eyes narrow, and she firmly states, "You want this court to enforce child support, but you can't even provide the basics. No numbers, no proof, just speculation." She makes it clear, this isn't a guessing game. In her courtroom, honesty and preparation are the bare minimum. Mr. Casey pleads for help, but it's too late. The judge shuts the case down with a firm tone, stating, "Come back when you have real evidence, not excuses." Before leaving, she delivers a powerful reminder. If you're serious about legal action, be prepared and bring the facts. In her court, the truth is the only currency that matters.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
well,
sorry.
you know what, I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the
Judge.
table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day,
I'm
and
sorry,
you came in
please.
here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me. And, you know, I work hard and
You know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful.
Yeah.
So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to be
Thank
truthful.
you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're going to do it, though? All right, that's cool.
The scene shifts to an eye-opening educational segment led by Judge Vonab. With authority and clarity, She explains a topic many overlook: default judgments. In Texas, if you're served and fail to show up in court, you essentially hand the other side a win. No arguments, no defense, just a ruling in favor of whoever filed the case. Judge Vonab doesn't stop there. She discusses the importance of providing honest, accurate information, especially regarding income. Misrepresenting or inflating earnings doesn't just hurt the other party, it can lead to serious legal consequences. This is more than a lecture. It's a wake-up call. Judge Vonab pulls back the curtain on how the system works and explains how to navigate it properly. Anyone thinking about pursuing or contesting child support needs to hear this raw truth about how justice is truly served.
Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place Mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back, and then at that time, hopefully, he has financial income information on.
As the gavel falls and the case comes to a close, the video delivers more than just a conclusion, it delivers a powerful lesson. Judge Vonab leans in with a message that cuts straight to the heart of courtroom success. There's no substitute for honesty and preparation, no shortcuts, no gimmicks, just straight talk. This case wasn't just courtroom drama, it was a clear lesson in how the truth or lack of it can make or break your case. Then comes the call to action. Hit that subscribe button if you're here for real stories, raw courtroom battles, and legal insights you can actually use. Whether you're in the midst of a case or simply watching from the sidelines, this channel is your front row seat to justice in action. Because when it comes to the legal system, being prepared is non-negotiable. Tension rises in the courtroom as Judge Vonab's patience begins to wear thin. Mr. Casey, scrambling to justify his case, stumbles through vague guesses about the mother's income. No documents, no facts, just uncertain claims. The judge's eyes narrow, and she firmly states, "You want this court to enforce child support, but you can't even provide the basics. No numbers, no proof, just speculation." She makes it clear, this isn't a guessing game. In her courtroom, honesty and preparation are the bare minimum. Mr. Casey pleads for help, but it's too late. The judge shuts the case down with a firm tone, stating, "Come back when you have real evidence, not excuses." Before leaving, she delivers a powerful reminder. If you're serious about legal action, be prepared and bring the facts. In her court, the truth is the only currency that matters. Mr. Casey, a father of 5, is seeking child support from the mother of his children. He explains that he's been raising the kids alone and needs financial assistance. The judge listens attentively but quickly notices inconsistencies in his statements, setting the stage for a case that highlights the challenges of single parenting and the importance of honesty in court.